All right, guys, what's up? What's up? I got a new piece coming out soon. Look how greasy and shiny it's because I lotioned up. But anyway, I got a new piece coming out. Hope you guys will be excited about it. I am. I'm trying to get more concept pieces done, but I'm learning more and more as I do this art journey that I like to do a certain type of art, and that's what my passion and love is at. So I want to just start vlogging things, guys, showing my life, doing the YouTube thing that way. And I mean, the right people find you. Also, guys, my regular channel is Joshua McGee Reactions. Go over there, you'll see me doing more reactions. I'm gonna get back to the reactions. I'm also gonna talk about the things I like Harry Potter, Star Wars, anime, mangas, the whole thing. I be talking about multiple different things over there, how I feel about different art. I have like the manga be over here though, on Joshua McGee art. But over there it'd be the shows, video type stuff and movies. But yeah. So I got a piece. I'll be showing you some of that. I'll be showing you some of my process of how I come up with ideas, framing, references. I use references, but I use them and what I take for a reference mostly, which I talk about more in the video, is form. So I take more of the form than anything else when I do a reference. So you'll see me showing you that whole process of the reference and how I take the forms and then I create my own character out of that. And I create my own character in the clothing style and everything else, which I'm excited to show you. So I'll see you in a minute. All right, so this is what I'm working on. You see I got the reference right there. Almost done with it. Yeah. And this is the book I'm using. It is the Art of Harry Potter. One of my favorite things. And these are the references, as you can see. Very similar. And you see I got the reference window right here. But yeah, I use references and I'm trying to get form and learn how to shot this way, and I thought it was pretty dope. So I used the forms, created my own character. And yeah, that's how I do my concepts or my character designs. Like I like this frame. This might be my next, like when I draw my next character, it might be framed like this. I like this. I even like how this is. I even like how this is. And I made just some pretty dope stuff in this book. You should get this book. Like this framing is pretty dope, man. Like right in your face. Even the Phoenix. Yeah. Anyway, that's how I do my framing. That's how I come up with concepts and characters. Yeah. Keep drawing, guys. What I care about telling you guys the most, keep drawing, don't stop. I'll see you next one. Peace.